What's up guys, I'm here with Taihos, aka E-Biker Maryland, and Uncle Richie, aka Hornet Bandit. We've got Taihos one-of-a-kind custom Ducati red inspired Zooz. This thing is beautiful. What's the weight on this with the battery roughly?
I would say with the battery, about 90
okay.
pounds. No
issues for the Motow. We're gonna load this up on the Motow Double Ebike Carrier. We're just taking this one bike back. 200-pound weight capacity, so this will be no issues. Let's back this one up a little bit. We'll get the rack on, pop this little panel off. Then we grab our base carrier. This weighs like maybe 20 pounds. Then we're gonna grab the support arms. Both of these are all it takes to support two e-bikes. So these are labeled on the ends. This is the right one. I believe for that bike, the wheelbase will probably use the middle setting. There's 3 slots here, so you can adjust the size of the carrier for the wheelbase of your bike. I think Richie's gonna do the honors here. So this is an SUV, so it's kind of a high distance. Some people may not be able to reach this distance with an e-bike because they are a little heavy. So Motow does offer a hitch lift that lets you lower the rack all the way down to the ground, put your e-bike on comfortably and then raise it up. But go ahead and Richie, front wheel first onto the front cradle.
The front one.
And then repeat that with the back. Yep.
You repeat this process. Back wheel.
So Richie's doing it by himself, so you guys can see that anybody can do this. Like, I'm much smaller than these guys and I'm able to do it myself, but it's super easy. And then repeat that for the
same process. Can I start with the back wheel?
Sure.
Now keep in mind, this bike weighs more than the average bike.
That is definitely a custom motor on there.
Yeah.
That motor's a lot bigger than what normally comes on these. And then you just slide the support arm up, and then you want to tighten that knob. And then there's a Velcro strap. Get that on there nice and tight.
Voila.
Okay, and repeat that for the back.
Easy peasy.
Give it a good shake. Yeah, it's good to go. All right guys, so you saw how easy that was to load up an e-bike onto the Motow. This is the first time we put a Zooz on it. The middle setting was the exact setting for it. And drop a comment down below and let us know what e-bike you'd like us to try with the Motow. Peace.